just wish your girl could do more, but I can't. So, before we get started with this here unit, to all my scallywags that come to my channel ready to bash a bitch about this unit, okay, because you've seen or you haven't seen my other video on Brazilian secret hair, let me tell you about myself first. I will put in some work for a unit, but if I feel like I have to tear into the unit to put in some work, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, you understand? I'm not gonna do it because I, like, maybe 30% of wig wearers are not hairstylists, and we don't do hair for a living, and we don't practice, and we really kind of don't care to go to a YouTube video to learn how to do the things. But I have had a little bit of practice, just a tad. So I feel a little bit more comfortable kind of tearing into a unit, but I really don't. Okay, just let's get that clear. Let's get that clear. Okay. So my first Brazilian unit, everybody was like, you should have did this, you should have did that, you should have did this. And a lot of it was just mainly like, okay, they wanted me to cut into the unit, they wanted me to pull my hair out, they wanted me to do this and they wanted me to do that. I'm like, I just really don't feel like I should have to do all that for a unit. So this here is the unit that they sent me, and it is definitely like the last unit that they sent me. Far as, I'm gonna tell you, I'm trying to give you all the like inside construction so you guys can see. There are 2 combs in the front, there's 1 comb in the back, but overall this is what it looks like. This is what the unit looks like at the top, far as the center parting and all that. The unit comes with about 2 inches of lace in the front, and there are wefts, whatever, W-E-F-T-S. I tried to say it with an attitude and it didn't work out. Yeah, so like if I hold it up at an angle like this here, where you see the actual hair at, do y'all see the hair? The hair is like right in this little area right here. Right there starts the wefts. Can you see that? Let me get a little closer. The hair is right here. The wefts start right there. And they're going like perpendicular to your head. You know, they're going across like this here. Okay? So understand that. So I could tear into this, but where would I be getting the hair at for the center to be parted on both sides? Somebody can explain it to me in the comment sections without an attitude. Okay, just without an attitude, because I don't need much attitude. I just, you know, you can tell me how to do it, but not with attitude. Keep your stink for the bathroom, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna stop playing with y'all. But listen, I mean, it doesn't give you, in my opinion, much variety besides, let me brush it, you know, kind of towards the back and just have it away from my face slightly, and that's about it. That's about it. Or you can kind of like part it to the side and maybe put a little heat on there so it goes to the side, but you're only gonna have like an inch away from the actual hairline. So I mean, that makes it unfair favorable for me, to be, you know, just completely like blunt with you guys. Like, you guys know I'm gonna keep it real with you. But like I said, you know, this is, I don't know if you guys can see you peekaboo, peekaboo. Yeah, so that's what it's looking like. Okay, so I mean, it's pretty. I love the color. I love the color because I've had red. I've done red before. It's pretty, but I just wish there was just more of the lacing at the top to where I can part it more, like, and this would just be super, super amazing. But it's not. Y'all came for my honest opinion. This is an honest opinion for somebody that would much rather do a little bit of plucking and then glue it down. Not a hairstylist. Again, okay, not a hairstylist. This is, you know, I feel like anybody that comes to watch my reviews, you are people like me, or I hope that you are people like me. Now, some people just are, you know, straggling along, and, you know, they just come to see what the hair looks like. I just rather people just come to see what it just looks like straight out the bag. Honestly, what does it look like on my complexion? Don't judge me for how I condition it to my head or how I fix it to my head. Just look at the actual wig. Okay, that's it. Don't judge me for nothing else. Don't judge me for nothing else. Judge me on my efforts of putting this wig on and leaving out the door. You feel me? Okay, anyway, so let me go ahead and put some makeup on my face, and then I'll try this baby on, okay? Okay. Alright guys, so this is what the unit looks on. I do not have it glued down. I repeat, I do not have it glued down because I still needed to do another video for another one of the units. So stay tuned for that one. But here, as you can tell, it basically really just snagged, you know, fresh out the box, you know, just mainly at the ends. Like a lot of the blunt cuts do just like right at the ends of the hair. So, other than that, there was no other issues. There was no, other detangling. There was no, shedding whatsoever. I think the, construction of it has it, like, really tightly, into the wefts or whatever. So there was no shedding whatsoever. This unit is very, very full. I'm gonna tell you, I feel that this unit is very big head friendly because it was definitely not a snug fit whatsoever, even after tightening it up. As you can tell, I'm trying to figure out, like, okay, how I'm going to part this, where I'm going to part this. And like I said, that was just my biggest concern from the get-go because of the way that the wefts are. I didn't know how to part it, anything like that. You guys, you can give me constructive criticism without an attitude and let me know what would you do to this unit to, you know, give it maybe a little bit of parting, do something with it. Because I just couldn't figure out how I want to do it, and I should have probably just watched somebody's other review for this unit, but I didn't. I just plopped it on my head, and you know that's usually what I do, and a little bit of tweezing. But you guys, the unit is just really gorgeous. I just wish there were more parting space from the actual lacing, so that I can part it a little bit better. So I definitely love the color. Love the color. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I just wish, you know, your girl could, you know, part this up. But this is as good as my parting is going to get, and as good as I'm going to try without, you know, just seriously, you know, messing up this unit. But there was, like I said, there was enough lace for me to like be able to like glue it down. It's not glued down. It's not glued down. I'm not gonna glue it down because I'm not gonna wear it all night. It's hot in Louisiana, and that's partly why I'm team bald head right now, because it's too hot for these wigs. But it is super cute, feeling like Jessica Dime, feeling like Jessica Rabbit. Cute color. My lips are two different colors. First, it is a black liquid lipstick by Anastasia, and then it is Mary by Kylie Cosmetics, which is just a red. On top of that, that's all my lips are. That's it. But what do you guys think? Like, it's just blunt. That's it. Blunt. Really, really beautiful colors. It's on my screen, it's seeming like it's like kind of vibrant red, but it's definitely more on the plummy side, not like a super huge vibrant red. It's kind of on the plummy side. Still looks gorgeous. I really, really like the color. Just really, really wish your girl could do more with it. I just can't. So yeah, that is this here unit. It is the HBW MOMO. MOMO, okay? Yes. She's cute.